Welcome back to our channel, The Big Four. I'm going to be introducing to you EENG103, which is computer science for engineers. Okay, so in computer science for engineers, you are going to learn Python programming, which is going to help you to integrate your hardware or the projects that you are going to be making with the software using Python language. Okay, so in this course you are going to learn Python programming up to intermediate level, from beginner to intermediate. Okay, so what are the prerequisites and requirements for you? Number one, you don't need to be an expert in Python programming to be taking this course. Number two, this course is strictly for beginners. Number one and two are basically the same thing. Okay, you need a laptop that can run at least Core i5, that can run the software that I will be using, which is Anaconda. You need internet here and there. Most of the time we'll be working offline. So you need the internet. Then you will need the notes that I'm giving you in the description below. Okay, so how are they going to be testing you? Okay, in Python programming or EENG103, there is continuous assessment, which is 50%, and then there is the final exam, which is 50%. In the final exam, you are going to do coding, but you'll be coding on paper. Okay, so you need to understand, you need to listen very carefully and to understand the logic of the language, the syntax, and everything about the language, so that you, when you face difficult questions in the exam, you work through the logic of the language to come out with the right solution. Okay, so what programs can you expect to meet along the way? Okay, you may be asked to create maybe a calculator without using multiplication or division, some mathematical manipulation and programming. Then you may also be asked to create a program that can solve quadratic equations. You may also meet questions that you have to do with matplotlib and the pandas, etc. Then what do you expect to find in the exam? So from what I've told you before, the exam is mainly focused on you writing functions and programs. Okay, so you should understand the logic of the language so that it is not difficult for you. Okay, so thank you very much. Let's meet in the next video.